Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to mirror your video inside of Filmora. So basically, in this tutorial, I will not show you how to mirror your video. You can mirror anything that you have. For example, a clip, a video, an image, or whatever file that you are using. So, as always, open Filmora, make sure that you have logged into your account, and then choose the aspect ratio for your project, and then create a new project. Now, we go ahead and click on this icon and then drag our video. Right after that, we drag it to our editing line and let's mute it for the sake of this tutorial. Now, we can go and click on effects from here and let's write here mirror. So here you will see that there is a bunch of options of mirroring. So there is a mirror flap, mirror, and we will go through all of these. So first of all, let's try this effect over here. So what you're gonna do is just click on this download icon in here, wait until it's fully downloaded, and then just drag it over this video. So now as you can see, it will be mirrored. So here is the video and it is mirroring a little bit. It depends on how long you want to be. You can drag it to the end. So as you can see here, there will be like two members shooting, I think. Nice. As you can see, it is like pretty decent. Also, there is this effect, which is the second mirroring effect, which is this one, mirror flip. So if I click on it again and I drag it over here, and once again I make it as long as the video, and as you can see it has mirrored by video again. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually use the mirror effect on Filmora. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. So thank you all guys for watching and see ya in the next tutorial.